Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a revolutionary AI tool that has really proved to be a turning point for not just the programmers, but to all humans. We are already amazed by how AI is rapidly revolutionizing the whole world. But this magic tool is different because it's designed for not programmers but all of us. That means all of us can take benefit of this AI tool because with the help of Chat GPT AI software, you can ask the bot to do pretty much anything which you can think of. From asking bot to create a resume for you, to writing HTML codes for you, or even writing a brand new articles which is not present before on the internet, that means without any plagiarism. You can even ask him to write any kind of script that you want for your video or your marketing campaigns. And the best part is, it's not only capable of answering you questions in English, you can interact with it in any language. And on top of it, it's free to use. It's an open source AI tool that you can simply access on the browser. So far, it has broken all the records in terms of popularity. It's just launched recently on 30th November 2022, and up to this date, it has crossed over 1 million users, which is by far the top record in the history. So let's see what this AI tool can do for us. So here we are. Let's write on Google Chat GPT, and you will click on this first link, that is Open AI software. So you can click on that and click here, try Chat GPT. You can click on sign up and continue with Google. It's gonna show you some things that how they collect the data, and they would love your feedback. Done. So this is the main interface. It's a very useful tool, so you can bookmark this as well. I'm on Brave browser. I can go to bookmarks and bookmark this tab because this tool is gonna change your life. You can't even imagine how useful this tool is. You can search for any information here. There are some examples here as well, but you can basically think of anything that you want the information on, and it will give you the accurate results for that. For example, if I want to write how to create a website, it's going to give me complete process of creating the website, from choosing a domain name to website hosting, designing your website and publishing it. You can regenerate the response if you want some other response. You can even ask for your maths problem. For example, so if we enter it, the equation result is this, and if you want to regenerate the response, it will give you the response in some other way. It will even explain you how it has dealt with this equation. Now, what uses can you get from this AI tool? There is no end to it. For example, if you are a YouTuber, you can make this tool write a script for you that you can use for your YouTube video. For example, write a YouTube video script for top 10 best fragrances. So it says, here's a sample script for your YouTube video about the top 10 fragrances. You will notice that from the intro, hi everyone and welcome to our channel of top 10 fragrances, it is giving you the information in the same way that like you speak on in your YouTube video. It's recommending all the fragrances with ranking and with the fragrance specifications that it has. So isn't that amazing? In the outro, you can notice that it says that concludes our list of top 10 fragrances. We hope you enjoyed and found some inspiration of the next fragrance purchase. Thanks for watching. So it ends up here where it says, where it writes for you the outro as well. So this is a complete script that you can use for your YouTube videos. Now, for example, if I want to write an article for my website, for example, if I want to write, So it's gonna write this article for me. I specified that I want the article about top 10 popular laptops under $1,000. So it's recommending all the list that I can consider. Now let's test this article for plagiarism. I'll use this one Q-text because it's free and fast. So let's paste it and check for plagiarism. Now, although it found 55% plagiarism in this content, but let's say because it was about laptops, that's why it shows the plagiarism. Otherwise, like sports shoes reviews, I have mentioned here, sports shoes overview. So this is an article of the sports shoes. Let's search for some other website. Here I'll paste my content. Check plagiarism. So as you can see here that all the content is unique. This is some of the scores. So overall, it's a unique article, 100% checked, 0% plagiarism. So that's the power of this tool. Now you can write pretty much anything here and it will give you result. To keep it short, I will show you the top searches that I made here. How to create a website. So you can see that it gives you the complete procedure of creating the website here. I have tried different calculations here. It gives you the answers. And if you write an article of 1,000 words on sports shoes, it has written the article of 1,000 words. You can also specify that if you want the articles of not the 1,000 words, but just 100 words on sports shoes, it will write the article for 100 words only. So isn't that amazing? That how the AI is smart enough to read all your requirements and finds whatever on the internet is and then reproduces that content in his own language like we humans do. So you can imagine how far this is gonna go. And this is just a free testing version. So just imagine in 2 years time how the artificial intelligence is gonna grow and how this tool is gonna grow. Maybe in future there are apps associated with this who will automatically produce a video on content, or they might convert text into human voice. Right now the AI is not exactly producing the human voice, but maybe in future it can be the case. So I've also written steps to create the website, YouTube video script on top 10 Android apps, articles. You can also try this article on uses of spy camera in French. So this has given all the article in French. Isn't that amazing? You can ask it to write in any language you want. This is another useful feature of it. For example, write an article on Pakistan in Urdu. So as you can see that it has written an article. If you want to write an essay, it will write in much more detail. So just imagine what it can do for you. For example, if you want to write your YouTube script, you can write any marketing campaign message or any flyer content to write. You can also ask about some ideas that you can use. If you are handling an Amazon affiliate website, you already know that you need an article on, let's say, daily basis about the products. So you can get these articles here without paying anyone any charges. And let's say if you are a programmer, you can just ask him for the code for car game. And you can see here that here's the sample code for simple car game in Java. It has completely written the car game code. Let's write here car game code. And this is how it starts writing. And you have already seen above here how it writes the complete code. So you can copy that code and you can use it in your software. So instead of focusing on what jobs it can replace, just focus on how you can use this tool powerfully to increase your knowledge and to use it and learn it to grow yourself. So be ready to learn these kind of tools so that you can grow yourself as well with technology. And if you want to get some regular updates of the future technologies and the coming ones, then subscribe to our channel and like this video. And also write in comments, what do you think about this tool and how will you use it for yourself? And in the end, I'll be leaving you with trying a simple thing, that is Chat GPT YouTube review. Right here, see what you get and post it in the comments. I would love to see what different variations does it have for different people. Just write a review with help of Chat GPT. So this is a really amazing tool for you that you must make the most of it. Find new ways on how you can use this tool to make your life even easier and to generate more business. So with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.